Hello, and welcome to another of Pete's Adventures. This time we're exploring Gibraltar, starting with a cable car ride to the top of the rock. Coming from the cruise terminal, we do some window shopping while we walk to the cable car. There was a line when we arrived. You can pass your time waiting by watching the cable cars come and go. After waiting about 45 minutes, it's our turn to ride. I have split up the video so the ride only takes about 90 seconds.
Welcome to the cable car. Our ride 412 meters up to the top of the rock will take approximately 6 minutes. During your top of the rock visit, you will encounter the famous Barbary macaques. These are wild, free-roaming, tailless monkeys. They have sharp teeth and will bite if provoked. Please do not feed or attempt to touch them. Feel free to take photos, but please keep your distance. You should not take out or display any food or plastic bags, as the monkeys will grab them. You should place rucksacks at your front to protect your belongings. An audio tour can be downloaded to your mobile device using the QR code issued at the ticket office via our free Wi-Fi. It will highlight points of historical interest as you wander the terraces. If you have purchased an entry ticket, you will be able to access the nature reserve and admission to its many sites. The Skywalk glass platform is a 10-minute walk downhill. St. Michael's Cave is a further 10-minute walk. If your plans change, you can purchase an entry ticket in the restaurant. From April to the end of October, the cable car will not stop at the middle station. Please see the signs on your arrival at the top station for the last cable car down. In the event of an emergency, please listen to the instructions of the attendant. We hope that you enjoy your top of the rock experience.
The views from the top of the rock are amazing. We would have preferred to stay longer. However, there were strong cold winds and heavy rain. All but 2 of the legendary monkeys were staying inside out of the rain. There are words of caution about the monkeys stealing food. However, our biggest concern was avoiding the monkey poo, which was absolutely everywhere. So I highly recommend a visit to the top of the rock for anyone visiting Gibraltar. Now it's time to return to the cable car and ride it back down. As luck would have it, by the time we made it back onto the cable car to go back down, it had stopped raining. The open window made the ride much more enjoyable. We did not stop at the halfway station on the way down, but it did remind me of how precarious it looked. Now the ride is almost over and we're ready to go back into town. The main street offers many opportunities for people watching and window shopping. This area reminded me of a typical high street in the United Kingdom back in the 1970s, with a variety of stores and goods available on the high street. The difference is the Spanish-looking architecture above the storefronts. Shopping isn't for everyone, so you may like to fast forward to the next chapter, Grand Casement Square. Grand Casement Square is a hive of activity and offers much for tourists and locals alike. Our goal was to find Roy's Fish and Chips for a well-earned lunch break. And here it is, Roy's Fish and Chips. The service was fast and friendly, and the food excellent. Everything you could ask for in a fish and chip shop. We take a last look around Casement Square and head back to our ship, Majestic Princess. The Bay of Gibraltar was seemingly full of commercial shipping. We made our way around the shipping and noticed storms in the distance and a threatening sky above. Our departure from Gibraltar offered us excellent views of the Rock. We also had a close-up view of routine shipping activities. In this case, a cargo ship is being refueled with liquefied natural gas. There were so many cargo ships anchored in the Bay of Gibraltar that day. Our departure route also enabled us to see the rock from many different angles. Soon, the pilot boat arrived to pick up the pilot. The pilot boat's departure indicated that we were at sea again. About an hour after departure, we were in the middle of the Strait of Gibraltar and were able to see Africa to the south and Gibraltar to the north. From here we can also see the banner cloud above Gibraltar, carrying it proudly. And this brings a fitting end to our video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching another of Pete's Adventures.